Good morning students. Welcome back to the session. Today we'll discuss about the problems which are given in our textbook bag. So first we'll start with the application of concepts. In this, the first one is in the adjacent figure. Here in this figure, AO and OB are incident and reflected rays. AO is the incident ray and OB is the reflected ray respectively, and angle AOB is 90 degrees. It is 90 degrees. Find the values of angle of incident and angle of reflection. So always we can calculate the angle of incident and angle of reflection. Between the normal to the incident ray we get incident angle. Between the normal and the reflected ray we get reflected angle. So first you have to draw between the incident ray and the reflected ray where they are touching. At that point first we must draw a normal. So this normal, actually in between that how much what is the angle? 90 degrees. So when you draw a line in these two lines and this normal bisects this angle. Bisects means the same angle, it is divided into two equal angles. So the 90 degrees is divided into 45 degrees and 45 degrees. So from the normal to the incident ray angle is 45, and from the normal to the reflected ray that angle is 45. So like that you have to find out. Next, coming to the second. Bharat stands in front of a plane mirror. So here just I will draw here. This is the plane mirror. Okay. So Bharat, he is the Bharat. So he is standing in front. He stands in front of a mirror, plane mirror, at a distance of 5 meters. So from the mirror to Bharat is how much? 5 meters. Okay. From the mirror and the and observes his image in the mirror. Initially he is at a distance of 5 meters. If he observes his image through the mirror, obviously where does he get his image? At a distance of 5 meters. At a distance of 5 meters, he get an image in the mirror. If he moves 2 meters towards the plane mirror, from this 5 meters, if you move 2 meters, from this position, from 5 meters, 2 meters, if you move towards the mirror, then what will be the distance between the Bharat and his image? Means where does he get the image? So when you move 2 meters, and then again you calculate the he moves at a distance here. Actually this is 5 meters and he came at this position. In between this is 2 meters and this is 5. So 5 to 2 if you subtract, you will get this distance is 3 meters. So when he stand in front of 3 meters, he will get obviously the image is also at a distance of 3 meters only. At a distance of 3 meters. Next, third one. Explain diagrammatically the image of letter B in a plane mirror. So I will draw the ray diagram. Explain the diagrammatically the letter B. So you can take any side. So suppose if I am taking, this is the reflecting surface. So if you take B and if you observe the image of B in front of the mirror, then from the top end 2 rays are falling on the mirror, and from that immediately reflection takes place. So these rays will reflect like this. If you draw a normal, to draw the reflecting rays, it is easy to draw the normal. Why we have to draw a normal? Because from the normal, angle of incident is equals to the angle of reflection. So you will get these are the reflected rays 1 and 2. So when you extend these reflected rays, they appear at some place. Now from the bottom of the B, again 2 rays are incident on the mirror. Immediately what happens? Reflection takes place. This is R3, reflected ray. And from this, if you draw a normal, again this reflection takes place. This is the reflected ray 4. And these reflected ray 3 and this reflected ray 4, when you extend backwards, why we have to extend? Actually they are the diverging rays, they will not meet, but you can get the image. Where you will get the image? These diverging rays are seems to be coming at one point. So where they are coming, there you will get the image. There you will get the image. So here you will get the image of B. Actually this top one are reaches at the bottom and the bottom of the rays are reaching at the top, and our brain receives that this is the if it is top means our brain receives that it is coming in the mirror from the bottom of the letter. So due to that we get the image of B like this. Thank you.